So anyway, my name is Patrick O'Reilly and I love music, and the best music out at the moment is there's an album coming out in a little while. It's called The Orchard and it's by Michael, what's your name?
Brunnock.
Michael Brunnock, and he's just amazing, he's brilliant. And now I'm in the PR business and I love promoting good music, and the one thing I have to say is that if you haven't heard Michael Brunnock singing, well then you haven't really lived. Now, you know, I wouldn't just say that because I'm not a liar. And if anybody calls me a liar, I'd be very upset. So you have to listen to it yourself and see what you think. And then that would only just make me feel an awful lot better about myself, because I know what I'm saying and I know that what I'm saying is true. And you have to hear Michael Brunnock singing, because if you haven't heard him singing, well, you know, well then I shouldn't be in this job. So, maybe I shouldn't be in this job. But anyway, I am in this job and I think it's just amazing. So, anyway, I seen him in Baker Boy way back in County Cavan when I was a young fella, and I thought he was brilliant. And now that I'm a super, well, not super, but I made a great living at the old promotion thing, and I think you need to hear Michael Brunnock. Okay, you got it?